Y'all, this is not a drill. Instagram has finally stopped playing with us. Let me tell y'all, we are finally getting monetization on Instagram and they are taking it seriously. Let me tell you more about it. Hey, what's up? My name is Rasha and welcome here to my channel. And today we are talking about Instagram monetization. So let's get right on into it. As of today, with me recording this video, it is April 1st. And I've heard this news maybe 2 days ago, so that was March. So we have an update on Instagram monetization policy. Instagram is gonna finally stop playing with us and they're gonna pay us, y'all. So as you know, we talked about this maybe like a month or so ago, and we said that we probably weren't going to see IGTV ads until the end of 2021, maybe 2022. But Instagram said, hold up, y'all moving too quick, and they dropped them on us now. So first, let me back up and explain. So back in 2020, and I'll link the video up in the cards, we were talking about Instagram's big announcement to roll out IGTV ads. So around spring, summer of 2020, Instagram said they're rolling out IGTV ads where you would now have ad breaks before or after your videos, which you could monetize and get paid from. So it's similar to the YouTube partner program here on YouTube. However, they were going to do a trial group first. So if you were a part of the beta group, there was only like 200 accounts or something a part of it, and it was going to slowly roll out. We never seen it. So now, as of March of 2021, we are now seeing more and more accounts get the feature. So let me tell you more about what that process looks like. So now if you've been invited to the IGTV Monetization program, you'll get a little pop-up above your profile. I haven't been invited yet, so I can't show you mine. However, I have seen some creators' pages who have been invited, and so it just comes up as a little pop-up, just like how they gave out the pop-up about the voting and stuff, where it comes up above your profile, or when you're setting up a business account and you might have something missing, there's a little pop-up over there. And the pop-up will say something about you've been invited, or you can earn money through IGTV, get started, join the program or something. Okay, cool. Really basic, really simple. So you want to hit that get started, and that's going to be your way to unlocking Instagram TV ads on your account. So once you get started, you'll be asked a couple of questions. So you'll give your basic information, you'll give your financial information, so like your taxes and things like that. So it's very similar to the YouTube partner program if you've ever filled out that paperwork before. Plain and simple. After that, it'll give you some prompts on how to actually turn on ads on your videos. Which brings me to my next point, is not all IGTV videos are going to be eligible for monetization. Let's talk about it. So just like how YouTube now has like the checks or whatever, when you upload a YouTube video, IGTV is gonna have to review your video to make sure that it is worthy to have ads on it. I guess, maybe not the best terminology, but y'all get what I'm saying. Let's talk about the qualifications that you need to make sure that your video is able to be monetized. So first and foremost, your video must be longer than 2 minutes. If your video is not 2 minutes long, then guess what? You will not be able to put an ad on it. So if you think about it, it really makes sense because it separates the different forms of videos that you already can post on Instagram. So for instance, you have 30-second or less videos, those are reels. You have 60-second videos, those are feed posts. So now those 2-minute long videos, those are IGTV videos, and those will be eligible for ads. You want to make sure that your video is in English. Right now, only videos that are in English and that are family friendly or advertiser friendly are eligible to be monetized. So let's talk about the money part while we're all here. Just like YouTube's partner program, Instagram will be paying creators 55% of the ad revenue that they receive from those videos, which is a pretty good chunk and is honestly an industry standard that YouTube set. So Instagram, of course, is going to follow suit. So that's what it is. You'll get 55% of that ad revenue that you make. And just like Google AdSense, you will not receive any money from your IGTV video ads until you meet that $100 threshold. So after you hit that $100, as soon as you exceed it, your money will be able to start paying out monthly. Okay, so we know for sure that Instagram TV ads are now in the United States, UK, and Australia. So those are the basics on Instagram TV ads. We also know that Instagram has some other monetization features up their sleeve, like affiliate links. So if you're interested in learning more about that, drop a comment down below and let me know so I know to make a video on that or not. But that's the basics of IGTV ads. So do you have IGTV ads? If you don't yet, are you interested in getting started with IGTV ads? And are you even using IGTV in your Instagram strategy? Let me know by commenting down below, and make sure that you follow me on Instagram at Rasha to check out some more social media updates. But thank you so much for clicking on this video. This is just a quick little video because it's something that's going on, and I felt like it was like, finally, we're starting to see Instagram want to put some money in creators' pockets. So I'm super excited to see what this is going to look like, who's going to be truly eligible. Is it going to just be accounts over 10K or over 50K? What's that process going to look like? Because it seems like right now it's a lot of larger creators that are getting IGTV ads, which is to be expected. But you know, I am the small creator advocate over here, so hopefully they only make you have like a 1K or 2K following in order to get IGTV ads in the future. But of course, as soon as those updates drop, I will be the first to let you know. So make sure that you are subscribed and you hit that notification bell so that you don't miss an upload. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.